Meet the UltiMaker S8. Up to 4 times the productivity and improved quality, powered by the new UltiMaker Cheetah motion planner. Combine raw speed with intelligent features in order to deliver unmatched productivity. With up to 500 mm per second speed and 50,000 mm per second squared acceleration. All fully managed through UltiMaker Digital Factory. The new UltiMaker Cheetah Motion Planner, new high-flow cores and improved feeder system establish the S8 as the fastest dual material printer on the market. For advanced applications, the UltiMaker S8 Pro bundle takes productivity even further. Featuring a 6-spool material management system with integrated humidity control, the S8 Pro allows you to tackle large-scale and multi-material projects with ease. Meanwhile, Digital Factory allows users to remotely and securely manage their 3D printers, offering a seamless workflow with over 300 optimized material profiles. Whether you're prototyping in an office or scaling production in the factory floor, the UltiMaker S8 delivers unmatched versatility. The UltiMaker S8, up to 4 times productivity and improved quality, powered by the UltiMaker ecosystem.
For more information, contact Precise 3D Hub in Dubai and check out our website precise3dhub.com.